This is Ben Sherman, owner of GTS Classic Motors LLC, and it's a beautiful day here in Erie, Pennsylvania, so I'm trying to get a few of these cars out to get them on the website and on the YouTube. And today I'm going to be letting this traffic pass by so you can hear me, showing you a gorgeous 1968 GT-500KR Convertible 428 Cobra Jet car, factory Highland Green, factory black top, factory black interior, and this car is a factory 4-speed car. Gorgeous car. It's been restored. It's been serviced at my shop. We just put brand new E70 15 speedways on the car. Those are the correct black wall tires for a 68 GT-500KR convertible and also a GT-500KR fastback. But this car is really great. Awesome presentation. It's service. We went through all the lights. The sequentials work. The tilt-pop works. We wanted to make sure everything functions as good as the car looks. So additionally, this car is very heavily documented, has a wonderful registry report. We have things like owner's manual and deluxe Martis and period correct ads. Additionally, what we have is a Framed Elite Marti Report. I love cars like that because that tells me the person who owned the car for all those years really loved it enough to spend the money on one of those. We have that in the car right now. But let's get into it. I'm going to give you a walk around and then we're going to fire the car up. The car has been concourse detailed here at GTS Classic Motors. Again, brand new rubber. The top presents as new. I do not believe it has been down that much. It does function. With the wind here today, I'm not going to do that, but rest assured we have tested the operation of the power top and it works beautifully. Like I mentioned, the sequentials work. A lot of high detail here with stickers and stamps and faithfully reproduced. The trunk is gorgeous. We're gonna have a picture of that on the internet. The wheels have been fully restored. They're beautiful. Car's riding on 10 spokes. Again, proper E70 15, brand new bias ply speedways that we just put on the car. Car has all its hard to find parts under the hood. I have it unpinned right now because it's just me here. Let me pop the hood. So the stuff that you want to see: very rare starter delay, the smog system, diverter valve, it's all there, highly detailed. Original Shelby tag. I verified the VIN under it before I acquired the car. Everything's there. Chrome's nice. Paint shines up very nice. Again, we just had it detailed in-house here. Fresh service, 2050 Brad Penn. Green racing zinc oil, new FL1A filter. All the lights and little things that seldom work were addressed. Show you the interior. It's a factory black interior car, factory 4-speed. Gauges are beautiful, very nice. This car was rotisserie restored, and it has the floors done up in the proper red oxide. It's just really a beautiful example. It's ready to enjoy though. They made 518 68 GT-500KR convertibles. I have 3 of these right now, including my personal car, which is Wimbledon white. I love these cars. My personal car is an automatic. This car is a factory 4-speed. Clutch is nice. Everything's adjusted up. Car starts nice. And again, everything under the hood that you want to see there is there. And you can see some attention to detail. you know, the battery sticker and the auto light battery topper. Car has its original power steering cooler. Hard to see there, but it's there. Factory S-tube. All the stuff that costs a lot of money to find. Buck tag, chalk markings. It's got the paint OK stamps. Just a really nice example for someone looking for one of these. Everyone loves Highland Green, quintessential bullet color. They made double, roughly double, the fastback version of this car. 68.5, of course. Ford come out with, it's probably one of its most famous engines ever designed, the 428 Cobra Jet, and they instantly worked with Shelby on getting these in the GT-500KR King of the Roads, and the rest is history. I love these cars. They run out nice. Get a lot of looks in one of these. Again, the top functions perfectly. I do not think that top has been down more than 7-8 times. We just went through, serviced everything. Did a few things with the carburetor, I believe, and again, all the lights work, sequentials work, reverse lights work, signals work in the front. The tilt pop does work, but you get about one pop and then it needs more vacuum. So if you have any questions about how that system functions, feel free to reach out to me. This one does work though. So the only modification, it's got kind of a period correct looking cassette deck / FM radio in the dash, but it fits perfectly. Nothing's been cut, and the FM does work. I checked it this morning when I got the car out. Car settles into a nice idle. Again, clutch is great. These were all power front disc brake cars and factory power steering cars. Car has its fog lamps. It's hard to see this green. It's really gorgeous in the sun. Paint presents very nice. Fit finish is nice. So if you've been looking for a KR, factory 4-speed, factory Highland Green, this car has its original Shelby tag, has a wonderful registry listing. It's documented with both a Deluxe Marti, Elite Framed Marti Report, plenty of other documentation that comes with the car, fully serviced, ready to rock. This is a great car, and I think someone's going to really love it. So reach out, www.gtsclassicmotors.com. My personal cell is now listed on there. I tell people all the time, if you have interest, please get a hold of me. Oftentimes these cars, by the time they hit the website, they're already sold. Got a wonderful client base throughout the country, frankly throughout the world. So, but this is a good one, really good car, and ready to be enjoyed by someone. So thanks for watching, guys. We have some more videos on the way. Appreciate you all.